States. In the 1960s, mass-produced low-cost highways seemed to offer solutions to the problem of housing a growing inner-city population, but far from meeting human needs, the new estates often proved to be windswept deserts lacking essential social facilities and services. So many of these buildings were poorly designed and constructed and have since been demolished. So by the 1970s, a new respected for the place of buildings within the existing townscape arose. So preserving historic buildings or keeping only their facades or fronts grew common. Architects also began to make more use of building styles and materials that were traditional to the area. The architectural style, usually referred to as high-tech, was also emerging. So it celebrated scientific and engineering achievements by openly parodying the sophisticated techniques used in construction. Such buildings are commonly made of metal and glass. Examples are Stansted Airport and the Lloyd's Building in London. So disillusionment at the failure of many of the poor imitations of modernist architecture led to interest in various styles and ideas from the past and present. So by the 1980s, the coexistence of different styles of the architecture in the same building became known as postmodern. Other architects looked back to the classical tradition. The trend in architecture now favors a smaller scale building design that reflects a growing public awareness of environmental issues such as energy efficiency. People today recognize that a well-designed environment improves the quality of life, but it is not necessarily achieved by adopting unwell-defined style of architecture. So 20th century architecture will mainly be remembered for its tall buildings. They have been made possible by the development of light steel frames and safe passenger lifts. So they originated in the US over a century ago to help meet the demand for more economical use of land. So as construction techniques improved, the skyscraper became a reality. It's about the Ruth Coleman who wrote this articles. So it's about the architecture and also the total process of architecture. I mean, from the beginning of the human run. So after that, now it's